Hi, in this video today I want to show you how you can check to see if there's a software update for your lgtv, and then if there is, how to apply that, how to download it. So often when you turn on your TV it will prompt you that there's a new update, but if you've missed that and you want to check yourself manually, then it's easy to do so. We're going to go into the settings menu. So if you get your remote control and look for the gear icon here, this one here, that will be your settings menu. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go all the way down to this one here with the three dots. So go across to the left using the arrows here, then I'm going down, 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 and I'm going to all settings. I'm pressing in this middle scroll button. And now I'm going to go all the way down to support down at the very bottom here. So I'm going to go down, 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 and down, and then I'm going to go to the right to go to software update, and it says here check for software updates and update if available. So I'm going to hit the middle scroll button in, and it says here an important software update is available. So I'm going to go down to download and install, so press down and now in on the scroll button, and it says update in progress. Obviously you'll have to be connected to the internet to do it. I'm just going to fast forward through this now. Right, it's still going through. You have an option here to allow automatic updates. So if you're on that one there, if it's highlighted, if you press in on the scroll button, you will see now that that has been turned on. Personally, I'm going to turn it off, and then it's up to me when I want to update it. And if for whatever reason you've changed your mind or it's seized up, you do have the option to cancel the update here. Well, that got to about 90% and then it just went back to here. So I'm going to go back into settings. I just want to see, has it gone through? Instead of moving left and right, remember you can always use the magic remote as well. So just move across, go to all settings. And I'm going to go down to support and software update. Oh, it's still going through, update in progress. There you go, 99%. So it must have just timed out on this screen. Right, we've got to 100%. Let's see what happens now. There you go. Software update has been installed. Update will be applied when you restart your TV. Right, so let's do that. So I'm going to turn my TV off. Leave it a few seconds, then turn it back on. Right, and it's warning me there not to unplug it. And there we go, it says your TV software has been updated. There's still nothing happening yet though. Here we go. The home screen has been updated to provide you with a better content search and viewing experience. Enjoy various content on your new home screen. Excellent. Right, okay, so now I'm just going to turn it off, make sure it turns back on again, and that'll be it. I'm happy then that it's all worked okay. Right, excellent. Well, there you go. Nice and straightforward. All in all, it took about 5 minutes for that to go through. And it was interesting that it timed out when it was on the settings screen, but the update was still working in the background. So, yeah, nice and easy to do. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.